Welcome to Policy Plus YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review new plan from LIC, that is LIC UR term plan, that is offline plan, and another plan LIC Digitam, that is online plan. Both plan almost same, but one plan is offline, another plan is online. Before continue this video, I request to all, if you want health insurance or any type of insurance, please call 9344400936 on WhatsApp. About this plan, this is pure term insurance plan and there is no rider and a tax benefit also available. Non-smoker premium will be higher based upon test and special rates for women. Eligibility age limit. Minimum age at entry is 18 years and maximum entry age is 45 years. Sum assured range. Minimum 50 lakhs and maximum up to 5 crore. More than 5 crore also available based on case to case. Also sum assured, two options available. One is level sum assured. Level sum assured means throughout the policy period sum assured will be same. Another one is increasing sum assured. That means sum assured will be increase. For example, if you take 50 lakhs policy, first 5 years your sum assured will be 50 lakhs only. After that, from 5th year to 15th years, every year 10% sum assured will be increase. For example, 50 lakhs means 55 lakhs, 60 lakhs, like this. Every 5 years 10% will increase. At the end of 16th year, your 50 lakhs policy become 1 crore. Then 1 crore will be continue throughout the policy period. Payment of premiums. Regular option and 10 year or 15 years limited premium, also single premium option available. Policy term 15 to 14 year or maximum up to 75 years. Loan and surrender. No loan available. Regular premium means there is no surrender value. Single premium anytime you can surrender. Limited premium policy 2 years or 3 years after you can get surrender option. Death benefit. 7 times of annual premium, 105% of total premium or sum assured. 3 of this, which one is higher, you will get that as a death benefit. There is no maturity benefit because this is pure term plan. High sum assured repeat. Level sum assured and regular or limited premium policy based upon your age, maximum you will get 40% discount. And for single premium level sum assured, you will get maximum up to 35% discount. In increasing sum assured, regular policy or limited premium policy, you will get maximum up to 36% discount. And increasing sum assured single premium policy, you will get maximum up to 33% discount. Premium example for 35 age LIC UR term plan. Here we consider a level sum assured and a regular premium include GST. I given 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crore and 3 crore sum assured and also policy term up to 40 years. You can consider and based on that you will get rough idea. Now we will check LIC Digitam premium chart. Here I given level sum assured, regular premium and up to 3 crore sum assured Digitam premium example. Now we will check LIC plan with other product premium comparison. Here I taken 35 age, 1 crore sum assured and 40 years policy. Also regular annual premium include GST. If you compare LIC Digitam with other online term, almost premium is not much higher. Please share your suggestion and feedback in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share to your friends. For insurance, call 9344409036 on WhatsApp. See you in next insurance video. Thank you.